If you've come across Ticktroid.com and you're wondering if it's actually legit, you're not alone. At first glance, the idea sounds pretty interesting. A website connected to TikTok-related tasks can easily grab your attention. But there are some serious things to consider before giving it your information or money. I looked into what's being reported around these types of TikTok earning websites. And honestly, I'd be very careful. One major red flag is the promise of easy money for simple online tasks. Similar sites often claim you can make quick cash by reviewing videos, completing tasks, or doing simple activities. But these offers can lead to fake earnings, redirects, surveys, or requests for payment. Another thing that concerns me is the connection to TikTok. Ticktroid.com is not an official TikTok domain, so you should not assume that it is operated or endorsed by TikTok just because the name sounds related. TikTok itself warns users to be careful with suspicious websites, unknown links, and anyone asking for personal or financial information. So, is Ticktroid.com legit? My fast verdict is, I would not trust it with my money or sensitive information. That doesn't mean I can prove every claim about the website is fraudulent, but there are enough warning signs to make me stay away. If a website promises easy income, asks for upfront payments, or requests sensitive details, stop and investigate first. Personally, I'd rather miss an earning opportunity than risk losing money or personal information.